Hey guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is yet another exciting video, but a little different than my usual videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new bag from Teddy Blake, New York. Teddy Blake has gifted me this bag in return for my honest review. So everything that I say in this video will be my genuine, actual, honest feelings about the bag. I have not unboxed the bag yet because I wanted to do an organic unboxing with you all. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so here is the box that the bag came in, and I absolutely love this box. It reminds me of a Louis Vuitton or Gucci unboxing or any other high luxury brand unboxing. So here is the box, and it even has a little magnetic opening just like Louis Vuitton. When you open the box, on the inside it reads, Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I am in love with this packaging. Look how beautifully wrapped this is. It's just perfect. As you can see, I have not unboxed it yet. Okay, so there's that. We'll just set that aside. And then it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Just want to open that up. Hopefully I do not need scissors. As you can see, it comes in a dust bag, and I absolutely love that. I think that is great that they wrap this bag up with a dust bag, because this is a high quality bag for a lower price than your normal luxury leather bags. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, guys! Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful bag. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it feels so great. I wish y'all can like feel it through the camera. It feels so great. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful bag. And this is the bag that I chose. They allowed me to choose the bag that I wanted, and I chose this because I do not have a bucket bag yet, so I thought this would be a great choice and fun to wear with the strap as a crossbody wear or a shoulder bag. So that's why I chose this bag. They have plenty of beautiful luxury bags to choose from, so go ahead and visit their site after this video. So here's the dust bag. We're going to put that back in the box. This bag is gorgeous. The color is so beautiful, and I'm going to have fun with this bag. So much fun. Let me give you guys a closer look. Here it reads Teddy Blake, New York in a pretty gold, and it also has a little Teddy Blake emblem right here in a pretty gold. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, and this is my honest opinion. It feels really good. Honestly, guys, and I'm being true, I usually do not wear other handbags outside of my luxury collection. I do not own any other handbags outside of my current luxury collection. But you guys, I am going to wear this bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you will catch me wearing this bag. I'm definitely going to wear this bag. It feels amazing. You can tell it's just like such great quality. OMG, I forgot that it comes with this. This is another reason I chose this bag. I think most of their bags actually comes with a little pouch, but it comes with a little cute pouch, and it is detachable. You can detach it really simple, just like I just did. This is so cute, and it just says Teddy Blake, New York on it. Wow, this is really cute. Then there's just the stuffing. Let's take that out. Alright, so in the inside it's just empty, as you can see. It's just a blank canvas on the inside, and then it has a little Teddy Blake tag on the inside. I don't know if you guys could see it. Just a little like tag, kind of like a Louis Vuitton has their little not hot stamp, their little date code. And then it also has this to protect the inside of your bag. I love that. I'm going to put that back in there to just give it like a nice firm foundation and protect it. Yes, this bag is really cute. You guys, I really like this bag. This is my honest opinion. If you've been watching my videos, you know I always give my honest opinion, even about the higher luxury brands like Louis Vuitton. I don't absolutely love everything all the time, but I love this bag, and I'm going to give you a second bag review after I actually wear the bag a little bit more. But yes, this is a beautiful bucket bag, really cute. And I've been wanting a bag outside of my Louis, Gucci, all the other luxury brands that I have. I've been wanting a bag outside of that, just to, you know, switch it up a little bit and tone it down when I don't want to be as loud. And I think this is the perfect bag, and you still have such great quality. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit more about this bag. Teddy Blake creates their handbags with Italian luxury designers. They use premium Italian leather for their handbags, and I can actually feel that. Like I said, I wish you guys could like reach through the video right now and feel this. It just feels amazing. The Teddy Blake craftsmen actually work in some of the same factories as other higher luxury brands, and I think that is amazing. They just charge less than any other brand. Each bag and the material is actually originated from Italy. Real Italian leather. Luxurious leather. I can really see the key qualities in this bag, and I absolutely love that. I can tell that it is beautifully crafted. It's well put together. Honestly, it looks like a bag that would cost about the same. It looks and feels like a bag that would be as expensive as a Gucci or Louis, but it's not. These bags are hundreds of dollars cheaper. Like this bag, I believe, I can't quote the price, but I'll put it right here on the screen. But yes, this is such a beautiful bag, and I'm so excited to wear it. I love that it has this shoulder pad up here for comfort. So cute. Now let's get some mod shots of the bag on me, and then we'll conclude this video. Alright guys, so if you are looking for another alternative to a luxury leather brand for your handbags, but you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, I highly recommend you to check out Teddy Blake. Again, this is my honest opinion of the bag. I have not yet worn the bag or used it to get more of how it feels wearing it out and about and carrying items in it, but I will do so soon. Actually, I'm about to go out now, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and take this bag. Plus I have some really cute shoes to match with my outfit, and I think it's going to look so cute. But yeah, so I'm going to give you an updated review on this bag, but as of now, I am in absolute love. I love the packaging. Packaging says a lot. It's all in the details always, and I just love the craftsmanship of the bag, how it feels, and it's just such a cute fashion forward bag. So I highly recommend based off of the things that I just mentioned. So go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, make sure you check the description below in this video for your chance to get $30 off of your own Teddy Blake purchase. If you use my code TBKIA30, you will get $30 off of your bag purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and please do so. Interact, guys. It helps me, and it helps me to be able to give you guys better quality videos and keep giving more videos that you love, the luxury handbag videos and more. So go ahead and support, and I appreciate the support. Before we go, I just want to give you a quick word of inspiration. Whatever trials you may face, never give up. Always keep going. Do not allow anyone else's energy to affect yours. Do not allow anyone else's choices and actions to affect you and your goals. Just keep going and never give up. And that's all I want to say, really short, sweet, and to the point. But I couldn't go without giving you a word of inspiration. Alright, thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.